We have here is a battery by Interstate, June 2021. This is a battery tester for your car. This is a 5th generation CRV. And what we're going to do is I'm going to talk you through because it's hard for you to see. It's not touchscreen. It says car, I click OK. 12 volt, I click OK. In vehicle, battery test. Check surface of battery. It says to go to my headlights, turn them on 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you shut them off. This is about 10 seconds. Shut them off. The next step is to hit OK. You're going to go and read the regular flooded battery, the CCA voltage, 500. And when you click OK, it's going to give you a reading. Testing out the battery. We need to replace our battery. It's simple as that. I could go ahead and start to test other things and just back out of it and hit the 12 volt in charging test. Really don't need to do because it's going to turn the car on, turn this on, that on. So I'm basically all done. So the next time I see Costco, I replace the battery. Simple as that. How do you know when the battery dies? Well, press your brake, try to start the car. And I want you to listen carefully. Did you hear that hesitation? I did. It went ch-ch-ch and started.